the Style and Beauty Doctor on YouTube, and today, I know it's kind of early depending on when you're watching this video, but today we're going to go through the ULTA Beauty Holiday preview. I recently was invited to a press preview here in New York City where I went into this extravaganza of a room set up with all of the beauty offerings that ULTA has set for the holiday season. If you want to see the items that they gave me, because they gave me a suitcase full of beauty, if you want to see those items as well and a bunch of other things, make sure you keep watching. So this is going to be a two-parter video. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about my own personal picks, things that I think are amazing gifts for the holiday season, either to give to people or to keep for yourself. And if you keep it for yourself, I don't blame you, because that's the kind of stuff that I like to do. So let's start off with makeup. So from Ardell, we have this faux mink lash set. It comes with 3 faux mink lashes. Now, depending on when you watch this video, these items may or may not be up on the ULTA site. Then from Nudestix, who I've met with on a number of occasions, they have an I Love Nudes eye stick. They have an I Love Nudes eye kit. It has 3 magnetic luminous eye color pencils. This brand is a brand that makes it like super easy to just get your makeup on, super portable. You can just kind of grab the pencil, put it on, maybe use your fingers to blend, like super easy. Super cute packaging. Then from NYX Cosmetics, we have this Sugar Trip Kit. It's an advent calendar, so there's 24 days of beauty. There's a mix of eyeshadows and lip colors in here. So here's what one of the trays looks like. So you get a bunch of different colors. This is cute. And it's funny because I don't have this in my picks, but this is super cute now that I look at it more. So there's a bunch of different lip colors, eyeshadows, lip formula, so you get some of the intense butter glosses, which are amazing. Matte lipsticks, the soft matte lip cream. There's a lip oil in here. There's the NYX lingerie. That is super cute. And as you're watching this video and you see something looks amazing, leave a comment and let me know, like, oh my god, I would get that, or oh no, I pass. So then here's the second case in there. So they call it an advent calendar, but from my understanding, an advent calendar, you can't see what the things are, like you open it up each day. So maybe it's not like a true advent calendar, but there's another lip oil in here, more butter glosses, soft matte metallic lip cream. There's more eyeshadows. There's a blush and highlighter. Like this is super cute. This is something that like you can give to someone who really loves NYX. I find that kids are wearing makeup a lot younger now. Like I didn't start wearing makeup until later on. But this would be cute for somebody who's like in high school or in college who really loves NYX Cosmetics. It does seem a little bit more on like the kiddie side to me just because of the packaging, even though, you know, NYX is not a brand that is for a particular age range. But like my grown behind, like if you gave this to me, I'd be like, oh, thanks. But it's cute. These are some lip kits. So Makeup Revolution has these lip toppers. So here's a look at that. So these are like metallic. They look really gorgeous during the holidays with like if you have like a red lip or a very deep vampy lip and then you kind of put that in the center of the lip. Cute. Hila has this Bare Beauty Stay All Day liquid lipstick set. This is super cute. Like these are like really cute stocking stuffers. The thing with the color cosmetics, and we'll talk about that again soon, is that sometimes with the colors, and we'll talk about that soon. And Burt's Bees, this is so cute. Burt's Bees has this cute, super cute like stocking stuffer, must have moisture. It comes with a beeswax lip balm, moisturizing lip balm, tinted lip balm. Super cute. This is not a lip. This is the Glam and Glow Shimmer Veil Trio. This is from Cover FX. So these are like multi-purpose products. You can put them on your eyes. Are these okay for the lips? Yeah. It says you can put on the eyes, lips, cheeks, and beyond. That's cute. I got these in Cover FX PR package a couple of months ago. I thought it was nice, but it wasn't something for me. But if you know someone who likes shimmer, that might be a great gift. Then we have the Too Faced Christmas Dreams Beauty Daydreamer Limited Edition Makeup Collection. Again, this is, Too Faced is a brand that really, like, you know, I feel like it's like your little sister's brand. Very like kitty. This is what the, you know, the back gives you an idea of what the shadows and whatnot looks like. So it has this, oh, this is a cute bag, but again, you know, depends on one's aesthetic. So you open it up and you have like this, you get this little palette, and then you have, the eyeshadows and the blush inside. So you get like a little variety of color and things. Oh, you get a deluxe mascara, the Better Than Sex mascara, and an ultra plush lip gloss. So that's super cute. Then you have this Tarte set. This actually has the price on it, $49 with the $364 retail value. Let's open her up. So it's like a little pineapple, little confetti action. They're very thoughtful when it comes to the packaging with these things. You know, it's like you open it up and it's like, oh wow, these aren't necessarily things that I would want, but I can see where, you know, the appeal would be. So you open it up and it looks like that inside. So you see the blush and the highlighters there. And then there's the eyeshadows. And then on this end you have a liner, a lip color, and I'm guessing this is mascara? Yes, and a mascara. So Tarte. So now let me like quickly talk about like makeup. So, okay. So I sometimes when I'm thinking like a consumer, and then sometimes I put on my marketing hat and I think like a marketer. So as I was going around this press preview, and you know, they were showing me the makeup and showing me all the offerings that they had. Now typically, and I've said this before in blog posts and maybe in my last Sephora holiday video, that preview I went to last year, but a lot of times holiday palettes aren't necessarily made with dark skin in mind, and a lot of these palettes, they have like the lighter colors, and for me, I wouldn't want to buy something where I can't use a majority of the colors. Like, I would rather pay more money to get something that's custom where I'm going to use most of the product than to get like a, you know, a $50 palette where like I can't use the blush, I can't use the highlighters because they're so light. And you know, year after year I see that these, you know, products come out, and it becomes frustrating, and it's annoying, and it's like year after year you keep seeing like all of these really cool holiday palettes and holiday gifts, and then like as someone with deeper skin, it's like, all right, well, I'll just gravitate towards the, you know, the skincare or the makeup tools, or, you know, something that's not color focused. But then I put on and then it makes me wonder, like, okay, why don't they make products that have colors that have more pigment to them, with bolder colors? I'm like, I know white women who love bolder colors and more pigment in their makeup. I like, okay, then I put my marketing hat on and I'm like, okay, Ulta obviously knows who their customer is. Now, there's that disconnect. I don't even know if disconnect is the right word, but we'll just use it for now because I can't think of any other ones. But there's like this disconnect with what the marketers have, like their ideal customer, and what the world actually looks like. And a lot of times, like, yes, if you're going to be conservative with owning a company and you want to put out products that sell, and if your past history and your past numbers have told you that, you know, eyeshadow palettes that look like this sell a lot, of course you're going to sell more. But then there's also, well, how do you know that we're not going to buy it if you don't give us stuff that we can actually use? So there's that conundrum when it comes to these holiday palettes, especially the color ones. I tend to be like, I don't even want to spend the money on it, because I'm like, I don't want to spend the money on something where I can't use most of the products. So make sure you follow me on the blog, because I tend to, or maybe I'll do a video, we'll see, just follow me everywhere. Down the line, I'll do something on holiday palettes that are great for deeper skin tones. Okay, also from skincare, we have Mario Badescu Facial Spray Trio Travel Edition. So you get the facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water, facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea, and a facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. So it comes in this super cute little pouch thingy. And let's take a look at, whew, you can the sprays. So you get these 3 sprays. So if you're a Mario Badescu fan or you know one, that might be something you might want to pick up. So moving quickly on to hair. So this Living Proof, there's a full dry volume blast, 2nd day volume. So it's a dry shampoo, because dry shampoos can give volume in certain hair types. So it's a dry shampoo that gives you volume. So I wouldn't say I wouldn't need something like this, because sometimes when I have weave, I like a little, you know, hairspray or whatever. And it comes with a eye mask as well. So that's cute. Not necessarily something I'd be like, oh my god, let me have it. But, you know, it's cute if you know someone who would want that. Then onto the hair tools, we have this. This is so cute. I love when flat irons come in these beautiful colors, and I actually know someone in my life who, I think the color that she likes has more green in it, but this is close enough. I'll give this to my niece. So this is a Chi for Ulta Beauty flat iron. Comes in this very cool color. I think for holiday, if Ulta like followed any kind of like color trend forecasting to figure out like the colors and things like that, I think like things are going to be like very like metallic-y and glittery and frosty and like, you know, like winter wonderland, which is what I get when I look at this like blue flat iron. T3 has this single pass Luke's flat iron in this soft pink color, and it has like some rose gold on it, and it has some rose gold. You can straighten, wave, or curl with this. Let's open her up. So that's what she looks like. Very cute. And then another, and I'm thinking rose gold might be one of those things that we're going to be seeing a lot in the holidays as well. So Hot Tools. We have this Black Rose Ionic Salon Dryer. It also comes with a comb attachment and a diffuser. Now let's move on to body and fragrance. The Body Shop, they have this Fruity Body Butter Trio. There's a coconut, strawberry, and mango. I remember getting so many mango scented things from the Body Shop. Like, it smells amazing. Then from Fizz and Bubble, is that the name of the brand? Yes, Fizz and Bubble. There's this holiday bath truffles. Oh my god, I wish this was food, but it's actually, you know, something that you can pop into the bath. Very nice and relaxing. Then from Formula 10.0.6, this is a super cute stocking stuffer. It has an exfoliating mud mask, an illuminating peel mask, and an energizing peel mask. So if you have someone who loves to mask, super cute gift. This is like great for like a little co-worker, like grab bag or something. And I don't think this is too expensive. I'll put the price on the screen. Then, this is cute. Then from Hemp's, people are doing a lot of these, what is it called? Is it called CBD? CBD? I forget what it's called. But basically they're using the seed, the oil from, you know, the hemp to create beauty products and other things. But this is a triple moisture fresh snowberry and vanilla cream, herbal whipped body cream. It's a mouthful. Ooh, let's see, does it smell good? I don't want to put too much on because it's mad hot, and the last thing I need is to be sliding all over the place. Oh, it smells good, but it's I'm not one of those like, oh my god, vanilla and strawberry cream. I'm like not that girl. So this would annoy me after a while, but I can see how people might like it. Fresh has a warm cashmere eau de toilette spray. Let's see how this smells. Fresh cream, warm cashmere. I won't spray it because on that. All right, I gotta spray it. This isn't bad. It's giving me. See, I like those really like expensive perfumes, and then I don't have a lot of them because I can't like afford to have like all of them. But this is giving me kind of like it's trying to be a complex. I feel like I'm getting a little. What is that? I feel like I'm smelling a little sandalwood in here. A little vanilla. Maybe a touch of cinnamon. I don't know, the notes aren't here. But it's like very warm. I don't love it, but I can see you know how people might. So, fresh cream, warm cashmere from Philosophy. Then, Ariana Grande has a new perfume called Cloud, and what is this? I think this is a rollerball. This I actually tried at the press preview, and I kind of liked it, and I was like, you know what? It's not something I would want to wear for long term, because after a while I can see myself getting annoyed by something like this. But it's very, like, sweet. The notes aren't on here, so I don't know what the notes are, but I'll leave a link where you can find more information about it if I can find one, because I'm not sure when this comes out yet. We have 2 nail products. So we have the Color Dipping Powder Kit from Red Carpet Manicure, and this is something that you can do without the UV light. I don't know how similar this is to, what do they call those nails? SLS? SLM? I forget what it's called, but I know they do it in Atlanta a lot, where they kind of dip your nail into the powder. No light needed, easy application, no drying time, weeks of wear, simple removal. These are the kind of things that I'll see and I'll be like, oh my God, I need to be about that life, so I don't have to go to the salon. I can do my nails at home, and then I wind up not doing my nails at home. And then last but not least, from Sally Hansen, they have this Miracle Gel duo here. So it's a color gel system, no UV light needed. So you apply the color gel, and then you apply the top coat, and you get up to 14 days of color and shine. I would love something like this, especially since this doesn't seem like any different than just like polishing your nails, so that's pretty cool. So that is that for going through some of the Ulta Holiday Beauty gifts. Now remember, I have another video coming up where I talk about my top picks, which are going to be items you did not see here. So make sure you are subscribed, you have your notifications turned on. Make sure you're subscribed, follow me on social. Don't forget to check out the description box, because where there are links available, I'll add them there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.